Elegant morning. The session is accelerated by Mrs. Lata Prasad. Already we went through 11 tenses, 11 tense forms. This is the last tense form, that is future perfect continuous or progressive. What is future perfect continuous? Any action that will have been going on a particular time or a particular event and continuing in the future. In short, the action which will start in the future and continuing in the future. Let it be event or action, whatever might be. Then by next July, I will have been working here for 1 year. Example. Then what are the specific time it is happening? Let us see. At a specific time, next November, we will have been staying this area for 20 years. What is the meaning of this? A specific time, that particular time it happened. Then, before other action, by the time the guest arrived, I will have been cooking all the day and I'll be tired. Common expressions. Common expressions, by this time, by next Monday, next week, next summer, etc. we can use it. Stative verbs. What is stative verb? There are two varieties of verbs in English. One is dynamic verb and other is stative verb. Okay? So, stative verb must not be used here. Like other continuous tenses, here also we are not supposed to use stative verbs. Like love, know, believe, realize, prefer, then belong, own, such thing we are not supposed to use. We are not supposed to use such things. Okay? Love, know, believe, realize, hate, prefer, own, belong. This all come under stative verb. So, such things we are not supposed to use in future perfect continuous. This is an advanced tense. And commonly, future perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and present perfect continuous we already discussed. And let us, if we get time, we will go through the similarity with each other. Okay? So, the structure of future perfect continuous or progressive. Subject plus will plus how plus been plus ing form. That is the structure. So, how it can be in positive, negative and questions. Positive, subject as it is subjects, I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Negative, will not have been, or we can take working. And question, these are all subjects I, you, we, they, she, he, it. While asking questions, will we have to start from the beginning. What is that? Will I have been? Will you have been? Like that you have to start. Let us go for certain practice exercise. Let us go for first positive. By the time we reach Ocean Park, we dash. In bracket it is given drive for 6 hours. So we have to change. We have to change this into future perfect continuous. How will be? By the time we reach Ocean Park, we will have been driving. We will have been driving for 6 hours. When he retires next year, he dash bracket teach. Teach is the verb for 25 years. How will be? When he retires next year, he will have been, other form, teaching. Teaching for 25 years. Next month, you dash, in bracket, write. Write is a verb. This book for 2 years. Next month, you will have been. You will have been writing. You will have been writing. Then negative. You dash, in bracket it is given, not a research, any other subject. Any other subject. Then how can we change? You will not have been researching. You will not have been researching. Will not have been researching. Then next week, she dash, in bracket it is given, not eat meat for 1 year. Next week, she will not have been eating. Will not have been eating. Will not have been eating meat for 1 year. So, in positive and negative, we can frame the sentences like this way. While framing sentences, what we have to do? The given verb, along with the given verb, we have to use ing form. Ing form, before than that, will plus, have plus, will plus ing form you have to use. Okay? Fine. So far we learned positive, negative sentences. How can we make it future perfect continuous? Now, questions. By 1 p.m. the athlete will have been running for 2 hours. We have to ask a question. How long will they have been running? Then we can get this answer. By 1 p.m. the athletes will have been running for 2 hours. Then, like other tenses, here also will have common errors. Stative verbs. In stative verbs, what are the errors we can expect? By next year, we will have been knowing this family for 30 years. Here, stative verbs, we are not supposed to use here ing form. Why? By next year, we will have been knowing this family for 30 years. No, knowing, this is a stative verb. So we are not supposed to use it. Then how can we write here? Will have known. Will have known. Will have known. So that is will have known. That is future perfect. It is not future perfect continuous. No time given actions. See, we will have been studying here for 3 years. So in this tense, while writing or while framing future perfect continuous tense, common expressions or common expressive words you have to use. Like, we will have been studying here for 3 years by November. Or some situations you have to use along with that. No action given. We will have been traveling for 12 hours. That is incomplete sentence. So, we will have been traveling for 12 hours. By the time we reach there, we have to complete the sentence by using common expressive words or expressive sentences. Then spelling. As I told you, spelling, certain place will remove certain syllables and we will add IES. Then some place Y we will remove and some place we will apply CBC. So here, this year they will have been guiding tours. Is it correct? Guiding. GUIDEING. It's wrong only, no? So GUIDE. We have to strike off this. Guiding tours for 10 years. Next month, he will not have been smoking. While using ing form, what we have to do? We have to strike E and we have to make ing form for tenses. So here no time given, no action given, spelling and stately verbs. What all the varieties or what all the others we can expect already I told you. So once again you can go through and refer again. You have to make your own examples and practice it so that you can be getting more and more experience in this and knowledge also in this. Okay? Fine. So we said goodbye to tense forms today. We started from simple, present and we end here future perfect continuous. So let me remind you all once again. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. In simple present, let it be routine actions, then daily routines, habitual actions, universal truth. Let it be, we can use, and moreover, simple present will use every time. Now and then will be using. Present continuous. In present continuous, is, are plus ing. Present perfect, has or have plus V3 form. Present perfect continuous, has been or have been plus ing form. Then past tense, simple past, root verb. Simple past, root verb will use ed form. Then past continuous, was or were plus ing form. Past perfect, had plus V3 form. Past perfect continuous, had been plus ing. Future, simple future, root verb. Future continuous, will or shall plus ing form. Future perfect, will have or shall have plus V3 form. Future perfect continuous, will have been or shall have been plus ing. So all these tenses together, every now and then, our day-to-day life, one way or other way, we are interacting with someone. So what I mean to say is, if we go through all these tenses very perfectly, we can speak well and we can be on par with others, the dignitaries, those who are handling well and good the language, particularly in communication field. Okay, so once again, I want to remind you all these things. Go through well and good, then refer nicely and go for better examples and practice it and get utmost result out of this. Okay? Hence, like, share and subscribe the video by hitting the bell icon which is given below. Have a nice day. Thank you.